Welcome to Nigeria, a special place on the island of Lanzarote, where they make wine. Instead of normal fields, the grapevines grow in deep holes in the ground that are 3 meters deep. These holes are made to protect the vines from strong winds. A person named Pedro Lemus and his family have been taking care of this land for 3 generations. They pick the grapes by hand during harvest time. A long time ago, a huge volcano erupted on the island, and it covered the land with ash. This ash is like food for the plants. Earlier, this land used to be covered in fields of wheat. But when the volcano erupted, it changed everything. The reason the plants grow so well, because of the special soil. Grapes cultivated in volcanic soil often exhibit characteristics distinct from those grown in traditional terrains. Volcanic soil is rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, which play a crucial role in imparting complex flavors to the grapes. The porous nature of this soil allows excellent drainage, preventing waterlogged roots and nurturing well-structured vines. This harmonious combination results in wines with unique mineral notes, depth, and an unmistakable sense of place. They start collecting the grapes in July, which is earlier than in other parts of Europe. Despite its modest scale, Nigeria's impact on the wine world is substantial. Each of the holes in the ground can make enough grapes to fill 20 bottles of wine. Approximately 3 million bottles of wine are produced annually in local cellars, a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication of the wine growers. Around 75% of these wines stem from the Movisia grape variety, with their distinctive characteristics deeply intertwined with the island's identity. Nigeria's commitment to organic farming is further evidenced by the fact that 100 out of 1,000 wine growers on the island have embraced eco-friendly practices. Several other regions across the globe also harnessed the potential of volcanic lands to produce exceptional wines. Here are a few prominent examples. Santorini, Greece. This iconic island is home to some of the world's oldest vineyards. Etna, Sicily. The slopes of Mount Etna hosts vineyards. Over 10% of Italy's wine production comes from these volcanic regions. Willamette Valley, Oregon, USA. This region features volcanic soils formed from ancient lava flows. Hence, volcanic viticulture is not only a testament to nature's artistry but also a growing phenomenon on a global scale.